Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is going to be a little short, sweet video, hopefully. If you've been following along with my 3D and you've been trying, hopefully been trying some for yourself, you can see that this ball isn't in the rotation of the other balls. It's because when you have a contoured ball like that, when you have just a circle, you have your rotation, angle of rotation. But when you have this contoured ball, it goes away. And this has been bugging me for a long time. But look at here, this ball has a rotation because I've converted it to a bitmap. So let's just rotate this guy. I'm having trouble grabbing my zoom tool. And let's I put it in the center. That's what I always do. And then I lift him up so he's still in the center. My rotation's gone, but go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap grayscale. You're going to do that anyway, but now your rotation's back. So Control D and make a duplicate. Move your center of the rotation to the center. Let's rotate this guy 20 degrees. And this alone would be a pretty neat engraving for 3D. So, if you've been following along and you run into that problem, there's a fix. Because you're going to put it in there and then you're going to convert it to a bitmap anyway. And somebody asked me today why, what you have to do. Well, it makes it different somehow for the laser. It actually makes it fuzzy. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how the driver works. If you see, these balls are pretty perfect balls. We'll go up here and convert to bitmap grayscale, and it just fuzzies them up a little bit. It kind of blends them together. And also, for the person that asked me that question today, if you don't do that and you would have put these balls in, it's not going to engrave the balls. So maybe the 3D formula needs those balls. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.